Make curry chicken with me.
Alright, cut chicken and clean, making the small slices. That's it. Put the seasonings that you see on the screen. Yeah, I put a lot of seasoning, even this green seasoning. Rub it in. Yep, that's how it should look. Oil in a pot, curry in a pot, chicken in a pot. Turn chicken till each side gets colored. Boil food is cooking. Cut red bell peppers in chunks. That's it, Kellyanne. That's it. Cut onion, that's it. You're going to put your potatoes and carrots in the pot. That's it. Put all these seasoning and some coconut milk. That's it. Stir the pot. That's it. Make a plate. And that is it. Add some gravy for some extra flavoring. Take a bite and let me know how nice it is. Yeah, one of the most delicious, easiest things to make.
Don't forget to like and follow.